Hello and welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we delve into the top-rated products that everyone's talking about. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling smart arm and wristband accessories on Amazon. These innovative products are not just functional but stylish, providing the perfect blend of technology and fashion. So if you're ready to discover what's trending and find out which accessories are leading the pack, stay tuned. Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the best of the best in smart arm and wristband accessories. Let's dive into number 3 on our countdown, a true game changer in the world of smart arm and wristband accessories. Meet the Wepro Bands, perfectly compatible with Fitbit Versa 2, Versa and Versa Lite. However, it's important to note, they won't work with Fitbit Versa 3, Versa 4 or any of the Sense models. But for those who own one of the supported devices, these bands are a must-have accessory. Crafted from a premium soft elastomer, these bands are designed with your comfort in mind. Lightweight, sweat-resistant, and gentle on the skin, they provide an irritation-free experience, making them ideal for all-day wear, whether you're hitting the gym or just hitting your daily steps. Now, let's talk about design. The buckle is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring a secure fit that's easy to adjust. And that extra notch under the ring. It adds an extra layer of security, keeping your band snug and the excess length neatly tucked away. Size options? You've got 2. The small size fits wrists from 5.5 to 7.2 inches, while the large size covers wrists from 7.2 to 8.7 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. And if you're someone who loves a pop of color, you're in luck. With an array of colors like black, white, rose pink, and more vibrant options like fuchsia and teal, you can match your band to your mood, outfit, or even your personality. The Wepro Bands don't just complement your Fitbit, they elevate it. They're not just functional, they're a stylish statement that seamlessly blends with your daily life. As we edge closer to the top spot, let's take a moment to spotlight number 2 on our list. Product that redefines convenience and reliability in smart accessory charging. Introducing the Kissmart Charger, meticulously crafted for Fitbit Charge 5, Charge 6 and Luxe models. This isn't just any charger, it's a lifeline for your fitness tracker, ensuring that you stay powered up and ready for anything. Compatibility is key, and this charger delivers. Whether you own the Charge 5, Charge 6 or the Luxe, this charging cable's strong magnetic connection securely holds your device, making sure that it charges efficiently every single time. And with a 3.3-foot cord, you've got plenty of room to maneuver, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Durability and speed are the name of the game here. Made from high-quality wire and plastic, this charging cable not only lasts, but also charges your device rapidly. Just about 1.5 hours for a full charge. That's right, in the time it takes to watch a movie, your Fitbit is fully juiced up and ready to track your every move. Safety is paramount, and Kissmart doesn't cut corners. Built-in smart chips detect overcurrent, overvoltage, and over-circuit conditions, ensuring a safe charging environment every time you plug in. And the best part? Its portable size makes it a breeze to carry with you, whether you're heading to the gym, traveling across the country, or just moving from room to room. Ease of use? Absolutely. Just plug it into any USB port, PC, laptop, wall charger, or even your car charger, and you're good to go. For the best experience though, they recommend using a 5V1A adapter. And let's not forget, you get not 1, but 2 chargers in this pack, along with a promise of sincere after-sales service, ready to assist you within 24 hours should you have any questions. The Kissmart Charger is more than just a charging cable. It's peace of mind, speed, and portability, wrapped up in one indispensable accessory. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best sellers in smart arm and wristband accessories on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm slip through the cracks. Make sure to strap in, like and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell icon so you're always in sync with our latest updates. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our countdown. The top spot, the creme de la creme of smart arm and wristband accessories. Number 1 is none other than the mixed blue charger cable replacement for the Fitbit Inspire 3. This isn't just another accessory. It's the ultimate charging solution that keeps your Fitbit Inspire 3 ready to go, day in and day out. Designed exclusively for the Inspire 3, these replacement cables are a testament to precision and reliability. They've been put through the ringer, passing thousands of tests to ensure one thing: a fast, stable charge every single time. Because when you're on the go, the last thing you need is a charger that can't keep up. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and TPE cable, these charging cords are lightweight yet incredibly robust. They're built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use, ensuring longevity without sacrificing performance. This is charging you can count on, reliable, steady, and efficient. At 3.3 feet long, these cables offer the perfect balance of convenience and flexibility. Whether you're charging at your desk, on the nightstand, or even in the car, you've got the length you need without the clutter of excess cord. And did I mention you're getting not one but two of these tested and trusted charging cables? That's double the convenience, double the peace of mind. So whether you keep one at home and one at the office, or simply have a backup ready to go, you're covered. The mixed blue charger cable replacement is the top choice for a reason. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it exceptionally well. It's the kind of accessory that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them every time. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best sellers in smart arm and wristband accessories on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top picks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Check out the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling products featured today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.